Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy small beach painting. First I'm going to start off with the turquoise in the middle, and I just mixed some white and phthalo blue and then the phthalo green together. And then for the top I'm only using the darker phthalo blue. And then just blending everything all together so you get that like nice gradation. And because I'm painting on wood, I am going to use a couple coats of paint here. This was just in, I guess most people use them for signs. I bought this a while ago and I forgot about it. So I had some leftover paint, so I thought I would make a quick video here on how to paint these little beach paintings. And as I'm going along, I'm just mixing in like a tiny bit of white with that turquoise color I already had, just for some of like the wave breaks and to get some more depth and dimension here. Next up, I am doing the sand color here, and I just used some raw sienna, either that or like a yellow ochre, and then a tiny bit of white. And again, because you can see the wood showing through, I had to put about at least three layers of this paint here. Right here, I'm just using a deeper shade for some of the shadow areas. Next up, I'm going to tilt my brush on its side and then just drag it a little bit for some of the white highlights. And this took me quite a few times. I put down some there, and then you can see me, I used like a fluffy brush, and I was dragging it up a little bit to create a little bit more of like a realistic look, like some of the like splashes and sprays that you would see. But I ended up putting a little too much, and then I had to wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I went back in with like the turquoise and some of the other colors. So you can play around with where you want your waves to be and how many you're going to put there. And right here I'm just using some leftover turquoise that's on my brush and just dragging it through a little bit on the sand just to balance it out a little bit and make it look a little bit more natural, the water coming down and through the sand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more.